My name is Susanne and I'm coming from Germany. I was looking for a new perspective that already grew in me for quite a long time. Then I started taking yoga classes and I just felt that it was so overwhelming good. And so I decided to get as deep as possible into it. And I was looking in the internet to find a course, and I just found you, and it took me about 2 minutes. I booked. Normally, I'm very comparative, and I'm always looking and comparing. But I just got onto your presentation, and just booked it. And that was in February. It was very convincing to get all this information, which was very professional. It was very encouraging. Because someone like me of a certain age, not having the experience, not having done yoga for such a long time, maybe I thought, as maybe many people do, I'm not young enough, maybe not slim enough, maybe not fit enough, and also I had a shoulder problem for many months, so I wasn't sure, but it convinced me reading, for example, you don't have to be young, slim or fit. And well, it just turned out to be perfect. Well, absolutely overexcited. I mean, I didn't know the yoga world really. I only realized what it's done with me. So I was ready for this new experience. And now I just think I got a perspective in so many ways, and I got so much knowledge, and I was so supported, got so many information. I feel ready for this. Of course, coming here with a problem, with the shoulder problem, I thought maybe that would be a very limiting factor, but surprisingly, the more I did, the better I got. And now I'm just absolutely out of pain. I got stronger arms. I mean, 3 weeks is not much, and I'm going to work on that in the future. But it was so surprising to see how much a body can achieve within 3 weeks. I was really very happy when you announced at the last day we are doing a workshop for handstand. Because the headstand is fine, but I'm going to work on this as well. But I love the handstand. So, and it worked. So I was very, very happy about this. And what I really appreciated was this very humorous style, dynamic and funny. And we got into different preparations with so nice games. Like this game jumping about laser alarm strings, imagination, which made us just move in every direction, what you can imagine. It made us just ready for that, what was coming next. Just a great idea. Beside of having this wonderful community, getting to know so many wonderful young women, which I gained a lot of experience because I'm coming from another generation, but having children same age, huge experience. And this wonderful inspiration, this developing of my body, it is just the message which I really would like to share with others. It's never the wrong time. You can always start your journey in your body, in your mental, in your spiritual, in any form of physical development you just dream of. You can always start, and that's just a wonderful memory for my future, for everyone. This team was just so good in this composition because all of them were absolutely different. And the heart of the team, Joanna, she's such a sun. She's just so shining. I mean, she just takes you with her. And when you see her moving, she's just a movement on two legs for every situation, for everything, and it's a big inspiration. And she's very professional. She's also demanding, which is good. And when you have Martin, he is very humorous. He made all these lessons with so much comic style. You will never forget it. He was also very demanding, so he really made us work very hard. There's Aries, and Aries is just so full of love. He's able to give so much love and energy. He's sort of yeah, representing yoga. He really is very, very flexible person. Yes, and there is Cedric, and there is Athena, and Cedric had a hard job because it was his task to get all these girls into this huge knowledge of functional anatomy, to know what the body's doing, why it's doing, what it's for. Very hard, but he just done so well. Also philosophy, which is a hard subject. He brought it to us, very persuasive, really good. And Athena, she's just so creative, and she followed coming with her mantras and with her music and the singing. It was just relaxing.